Hey there, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time on my YouTube channel, karibu nyumbani. If you're a returning subscriber, karibu tena. So guys, do you grow tired of scrolling each time that you enter maybe TikTok? You keep on scrolling until your fingers start hurting. Don't worry guys, today I found a way that you can make your device do it for you. Let's dive into the video and I'll show you how you can do it. So guys, what you want to do is open Play Store, look for Flex Scroll. This application, I won't be downloading it again because I have it already in my device, guys. Open Flex and grant it all the permission that it will ask for. After doing that, guys, look for the application that you want it to scroll for you. I'll choose TikTok. After choosing TikTok, go and open the application TikTok. So you'll notice after you open the TikTok, you'll get this menu and you can place this stuff anywhere you want, guys. Let me put them this side, guys. And this is how it works, guys. You see these arrows, the press on this arrow, it will start scrolling, guys. You can see? It's scrolling, guys. Now I don't have to use my fingers to go to the next video. And still you can set how fast you want the video to move. Like if I bring it here, guys, you can see it will start moving faster. And if I bring it down here, you see it's moving so fast. But now you can choose the way you want it, how you want your video to be scrolled, guys. So head to Play Store and download that application. It will make your life easier, guys. So guys, I hope you're enjoying these videos that I will be making all through this month of November. Tell me down in the comment section if there is anything that any kind of video that you would like to see from me, guys. Anything related to your smartphones, I'm going to make that video for you, guys. So that I had for you. Hope you have found this video helpful. Tell me down in the comment section, guys, if you enjoy this kind of videos that I'm making for you nowadays. And remember, I'll be uploading each and every single day during this month of November. So don't miss out on these videos. Make sure you have subscribed to this YouTube channel. And as always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.